In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change background color in Affinity Designer. By the end, you'll know exactly how to target your artboard and update its background so your entire design sits on the color you want, not just on a shape or layer. We'll start by selecting the artboard. Click directly on the artboard itself in your document. If you're not sure you've got it, look for a large bounding outline around the whole canvas area, or check the Layers panel to confirm the artboard is highlighted rather than an individual object. If you accidentally select a shape or text frame, press Escape and try again on an empty part of the canvas edge. On documents with multiple artboards, make sure you click the one you want to recolor. This step is important because the background color belongs to the artboard, and changing it requires the artboard to be the active selection. If your file doesn't have an artboard yet, or you're starting from a blank document, click Insert Artboard. You can find this with the Artboard tool in the toolbar. Then use Insert Artboard to create a new one that defines the bounds of your design. Once inserted, click the new artboard to select it. If you already had an artboard, simply confirm it's selected and move on. The key here is that the artboard acts like the container for your layout, and its fill controls the background you see behind your graphics. Now, select the color. With the artboard selected, open the color panel or swatches and choose your background color. Make sure you're adjusting the fill and not the stroke. The fill should be active so the entire artboard area updates. You can pick from preset swatches, drag the color sliders, or enter a precise value such as a hex code or CMYK mix if you're working to brand guidelines. If you don't see the change, double check that the artboard is still selected and not a layer sitting on top. It helps to momentarily hide other layers in the Layers panel to confirm the background update if your canvas is busy. That's all there is to it. Click the artboard, click Insert. Artboard if you need to create one, and then select the color you want. As a quick tip, remember that the artboard color is what you'll see behind your design when you export with a solid background. So pick something that supports your artwork's contrast and readability. Thanks for watching, and enjoy designing with a background that works for you.